Hey there, Mathews homeowner. Are you feeling unsure about your roof? Maybe you've spotted some leaks or got a few missing shingles? You're not alone. Many homeowners, after the recent storms in North Carolina, worry about the state of their roof and whether they should tackle repairs themselves or call in the pros. It's a common dilemma, and today, I want to break down why hiring professional roofing contractors can save you stress, cash, and a whole lot of hassle. First off, let's talk safety. Climbing up on a roof might seem like an adventure, but trust me, it's more of a dangerous game than anything else. One slip, and you could be facing some serious injuries. Professional roofing contractors come armed with experience and the right safety gear, so they know how to navigate tricky spots without putting themselves, or you, at risk. Think of it as hiring a seasoned mountain climber to take you to the summit, rather than just winging it yourself. Now let's chat about cost effectiveness. I know many of you think, hey, I can save money by doing this myself. But here's the kicker. Attempting to fix your roof on your own can often lead to more costly mistakes. You could miss a vital issue, or worse, create a new problem that needs even more fixing down the line. Professionals have seen it all, and they can diagnose problems quickly, and they do it right the first time. So, in reality, hiring a roofing pro is like investing in peace of mind. Pay them today, and you won't be shelling out for repairs tomorrow. And what about quality? When you hire professional roofing contractors, you're getting a level of workmanship that's hard to match. They use the best materials and follow industry standards to ensure that your roof is not just good, but great. This quality translates to longevity, so you won't find yourself dealing with leaks or wear and tear after a few seasons. Imagine the confidence that comes with knowing your roof can withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at it. Lastly, let's not overlook post-installation service. When a roofing contractor installs your roof, they're familiar with its layout and any quirks it might have. This means they're more equipped to handle any future repair needs. Think of them as a trusted mechanic who knows your car inside and out. That knowledge can save you time and trouble later. To wrap it up, your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. Don't gamble on DIY fixes that could lead to bigger issues down the road. If you're in Mathews, North Carolina, and need roofing professionals who can do the job right, look no further. Call Mathews Roofing Company at 704-266-2056. Your home deserves the best, and we're here to make sure it gets it.